Well, hey, good morning. How you guys doing? Happy Monday. We got a cool one today. This one's retro. 1957 home in Vero. Let's check this out. This house is oozing a lot of coolness. That exposed wood ceiling is great. This guy just bought it. He's gonna rehab it and live here himself. Got the terrazzo floors, best ever. But we're here to take a look at this bathroom. Pink tile, turquoise tub. Colors that would have been perfect for 1957, but not so much for 2020. So we're gonna refinish it in the super bright white that we have. 1957, man, that's mud tile. To rip that out, you gotta take a sledgehammer to it. Not coming out very easy. Now, 57. What would have been popular? The most popular song in 57 was Elvis Presley, All Shook Up. He might have gone down and bought himself a new 57 Chevrolet Bel Air. But enough history. Let's get busy on this one. I have a lot of work to do today. Well, hey guys, what do you think? I want you to be the judge on this one. This tile was pink. This tub was a blue turquoise color. Now, all my super bright white. This is the brightest white that I have. And today, they're polishing up the terrazzo floors. And they could use it, but they've been down since 1957. That's crazy. It even has the original electric heater that's cast brass, that's chrome plated. Keeping all the original fixtures, I love it. Gotta preserve the past, because the past, they don't make it anymore. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing. Catch you later.